You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this character figure of African history, the Queen. If you want to learn more names from history in Africa, stay tuned. 2 different pronunciations: Swahili, Nzinga, Nzinga. In English, however, it's generally pronounced more as Nzinga, Nzinga, Nzinga. Let's listen again to those pronunciations. Nzinga or Nzinga. Which one do you use? Which one do you prefer? Was this any useful? Let us know. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.